Yo, what's up? This is Osirez coming back at you one more again, and today we're going to take a look at Insurgency. Now, I know not too long ago I made a video about Insurgency and how to run it in Wine, but the good folks over at wherever they make this game, can't think of it right now, have got it running natively on Linux. So we're going to take a quick look at the performance and how well it runs and all that good jazz. So if you're looking at the video and the frames per second counter on the top left hand corner, you'll notice that it runs pretty well. But you have to keep in mind that this was being recorded locally on my desktop using simple screen recorder at 60 frames per second, which pretty much pegged out and raped my i5 CPU, causing a huge frame hit. But the game runs pretty well without recording on my GTX 780 and Core i5. At about indoors, it was pegging the source engine at 299 frames per second, which is the limit. And outdoors, it would kind of hover around 140, 150, 130-ish frames per second range. So this game works really well so far. Now you got to keep in mind this is still like early beta staging, so there may be bugs. I played it for a little while early this morning and then a little bit this afternoon, and I haven't run into no show-stopping bugs. But if you take a look here, this is what the graphics I'm using. I have anti-aliasing turned off because I find anti-aliasing in Linux to be a little bit problematic. But everything else is pretty much cranked up to high with motion blur off. But if you look at this menu screen here, though, I don't remember what's supposed to be on this landing screen. But whatever it is not showing up in the Linux version. It's just a loading little circular deal just going on. Other than that, though, the game works great. The game is super fun. I've played it quite a bit before, and it plays without a hitch the same way it did through Wine, pretty much the same performance. And I definitely highly recommend this game. It is not out of beta, so I don't believe it has the Linux icon yet. But we can go take a look real quick because we're doing this on the fly. This is kind of an impromptu video, so you gotta bear with me. Alright, so I just checked it out. It does not have the Linux icon yet. It just has the OS X and Windows. So you may want to hold off if you're a purist and want to go ahead and support the Linux port until the icon shows up. I just already happen to have had this game already, so I'm just showing you guys how good it runs. They're definitely still working on it. You can actually go and check their Trello, which is like a project management page, which allows you to see where they're at in the development stage. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know what to do. You hit the like button. If you did not, you go home and leave your comments down in the comments section as per usual. And once again, this is Osirez, the PC Pimp, and I'm out. And completely killed my graphical desktop. So if you open up this text editor and you don't see this, you need to copy and paste this into the text editor, or you will have a serious problem booting your computer.